Welcome, today I am with E63S AMG and I will show you how you can enable or disable messages display. So at the first we have to be connected with our smartphone. As you can see, here I am. So we have to tap simply right here and then tap on the settings. Next we have to go for the message display, and as you can see currently I select all messages. So right now if someone is going to send me a message, it will be displayed right here on the screen. So wait a little bit and you will see notification from my message. As you can see, here it is. And if you want to get rid of that, you have to select off, for example. And right now if you get any messages on your smartphone, it will be not displayed on the screen. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.